Hi, our neighbor gets started renovation in his garden. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have a look at it and gonna make a plan for it and make something better for him, right? He's actually started from the hardcore yesterday. If he wants to do that, I just let him go. But I wish to start from his bed over there, and we're gonna make it today. Before we're gonna make a bed, we have to make a level of the hardcore and get the bricks ordered of some hardware. I think it'll be something like that. So the first bed is done. We have to go with another one over there. When we started, we had to stop it today because we have to finish tiles first around, and then we're gonna finish the bed. Up to 2 or 3 bricks in here, right? Before we're gonna put the tiles, we have to make a whacken the area properly. Today we are making tiles with a guy who can make it properly. We especially asked him to come here afterwards and make that tiles nice and smooth. Garden clinic never sleeps. We couldn't make it without the professionals. Unfortunately, we have to follow them sometimes. Yeah. One more, yeah? One more. Yeah. Today we made the blocks for steps down the grass, down the artificial grass in the future. So the tile on top and the cladding on bottom, eventually we're gonna make that way. It's a beautiful sunny day today, and we got some disc for porcelain tile. So what we're gonna do today, we have to finish that tile off, and then we're gonna get an artificial grass and stick to it. When we're gonna finish the ground, we're gonna start putting the artificial grass. Before we are getting grass brushed and cleaned, we have to put the nails into it. all done. Artificial grass is shining. So what we only left to do, cladding. Lovely. Artificial grass is done nicely, so what we have to do to put the cladding on the side of our bed. I never seen that tuya before. It came from other country, to be honest with you, and it's still nice and fresh. I think it'll be a lovely plant eventually. When is your cladding done, you have to put the top onto it and then fill up the soil into it. And we are getting back to planting our tuya, what we got of our supplier. Oh yeah, we forgot about the barbecue area here. We had a stand already, but I didn't know it'd be that small what we made before. Nothing is impossible when you are following by professional plan.